quick pause. I want to talk about something real quick. What I have here is a 240 watt UFO style drop LED light. Guess what? We need some lights in here, but I'm not just going to hang one. I'm going to hang 5 of them. Now, just so it's known, this is about a 1,200 square foot garage. 5 of them is a little overkill. To be honest with you, I think 3 would have been perfect because they are 240 watts, but we want that little extra. Oh, camera lady, why don't you come closer? These things are as easy as this. If you want to hang them, obviously, and you have the wire too if you want. Now, everything here that we use, that we partner up with, we only do it if it's quality, if it's backed by quality, nothing else. So if you take a look at this, you can see that it's very well built. Sorry, I don't have light yet to show you because the garage doesn't have electric yet. But as you can see, it is a pretty solid unit, and I suspect I'm going to have no issues, and it's really simple to wire up. Or you can do it, you can hardwire it if you'd like to as well. Now, this is cool and all, and we don't have electric, which is why I wanted to talk about this product today, because you're going to see it light up by the end of this video, and you can be the judge on how great this product is. But just for giggles, let's turn one on and see what it looks like. Here we go. Okay. All right. I think we get the point. Oh, can you imagine 5 of these? Seriously, look. That's nuts. Now, the reason why I got 5 of these is because that's a shop. And you know on this channel, we do motor swaps, turbo kits, transmission work, body work. We need a lot of lighting, and that's exactly what these lights are going to be used for.
And my dressing room.
Now, when you go on the website, you're going to find the coolest thing is they have these also in 100 watts, which honestly, 5 of those in here would also be plenty. And they're extremely affordable. These here are 240 watt, and even they are a great deal. Now, if you go to competitive dealers and want to get your own, you will know that these things are pretty pricey. You can get 6 of these 240 watts for $450 shipped. You're not going to find that deal anywhere else. Okay, there it is. All 6 of those bad boys are wired in. You can see it's incredibly bright in here. And again, my favorite part is they don't get that hot. So it's just 240 LED of nothing but brightness. We have them right here on a switch. As you can see, I purposely did 2 here so we can watch the TV, and then obviously pitch black without it. Good. So as these were being installed, a friend of mine saw them. That friend is the owner of Raw Automotive. He's actually ordering the same UFO style lights. As you can see, man, they're phenomenal. There's not a dull spot in the garage. I can literally work just about any corner, which that was the whole point, because currently we're working on these side-by-sides. But as you can see, I have the truck taken apart. And over here, this truck needs an engine. So we use all the square footage of the garage. These UFO-style lights are unbelievable. I couldn't be happier with them. If you'd like your own or other lighting products, check the link in the description. Right here. Check the link in the description and tell them YFT sent you for your own discount at that. Now back to your scheduled programming.